Hello friends, in today's video I will explain you how to create discounts and manage it in Shopify. So once you logged in into the dashboard, you can click on discounts in the sidebar. You can see discount codes and automatic discount codes under the discount option. So to create a discount, you can click on create discount option button. Here you can write a discount code which you want to give. So I will say summer 50. You can select a type. If it's a percentage discount, it's a fixed amount, it's a free shipping, or it's a buy X get Y dollar off. So I will say it a percentage discount. I will type 50%. You can select like on which products or collections this discount will apply. So if you want to choose a specific collection, select a collection, a specific product, you can select a product. So I will say I will only allow these collections on the men's, like this discount on the men's collection. So this way you can also choose multiple collections, and this discount code will apply to all the products of men's and women's collection. You can also do a setting for minimum requirement, like if you want a minimum purchase amount to be $100, then only this discount code will apply. Or you can also choose the quantity, like they should purchase at least 2 items to avail this discount. Then we have a customer eligibility criteria for this discount code, like this will be available for everyone or a group of customer or to any specific customer you want to apply. So for now we will make it for everyone. You can also set usage limit. It is something like to limit the number of times this discount can be used in total. So if say like if you want this discount code to work only 10 times, so if you have 100 customers, you distribute to all of them. So first 10 who use this discount code will get discount, and after that this discount code will automatically deactivate it. Also you can add a condition for limit to 1 use per customer, so every customer can use this discount code only 1 time. You can also set start date, start time, and also an automatic end date. So for example, you can select to end this on this date and time. So once you save it, this will be active until this specific date. So you can see the summary also on the sidebar, like this is available for online sales channel, 50% off, 2 collections, minimum purchase 2 items for everyone, limit of 10 uses, 1 per customers, and available till May 25. So this is a very easy to manage backend for creating a discount offer. Once you save it, you can distribute this discount through email campaign, or you can use it on the home page. You can use a top announcement bar to give this offer and get more sales. So you can easily get discount, and you can also give a shareable link, like once you save it, click on get shareable link, copy link, and once you distribute this link, anyone you click on it will automatically get discount on checkout. Okay, so now you can create more discounts, more offers, and you can promote them for better customer engagement. Thank you.